Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another video. Today, I am super excited. We are here in Elkhart, Indiana at RV Open House showing you the newest, latest, and greatest of RVs and floor plans. This one being one of the best floor plans that I've seen the entire show. This is a 2023 Holiday Rambler Vacationer Model 35GL. We are going to be taking a look at the outside features first and the inside features then. We're giving you 3 things we love about the Vacationer and 3 things we dislike about it. We're starting in 3, 2, 1. Hey everyone, again, welcome back to another video. Today I am super excited, guys. We are here at Open House looking at the newest, latest, and greatest. Finally, you guys have been asking me for months to find a 35GL. Well, here one is in the Holiday Rambler version. Before I begin, gotta say hi to Andrea. Andrea, what the heck are you doing under there?
Hi. I'm staying dry from the rain, guys.
Yes.
But you know what? I'm so excited. We had to come all the way here to Elkhart just to see this GL.
Yes.
It is the coolest floor plan I've seen. So hold on to your seats.
Hold on, Captain.
Hold on, guys.
Let's go. The inside's absolutely beautiful. Let's knock out the outside real quick. Watch your head. Andrea, model is 35GL. The actual tip length is 36 feet 3 inches. This is the Vacationer. This is going to be sister products to the Fleetwood Bounder. Right up front here, we do have the painted fiberglass front cap. Vacationer is a tier 4 top of the line motorhome. Very nice. You got your LED lights there. This is going to be some of the only differences between Vacationer and Bounder. It's the LED light design. You got the chrome finishing going on there. Very, very nice. Coming on down the side here, Andrea, this does sit on the F53 chassis, 26,000 pounds, top of the line. It's a 2023. That means it gives you the 7.3 liter V8. It is the Godzilla engine. That's 350 horsepower and 468 pound-feet of torque. Right here, we do have chrome mirrors on both sides with cameras integrated in the mirrors. And then look at these tires, Dre. They're the Michelins. I love those. 225-80R22.5 with these shiny Alcoa rims. Coming on down, you can see this beautiful full body paint job. Nice power awning with LED lights. Frameless windows there. And then Andrea, take a look at this storage. Aluminum slate latch door.
Propane tank.
And then Miss Jen, bing! Please put all the specs right there.
Pretty paint job, Matt. You're right. Good storage. More storage. And then we got a dog tether down there.
Yes.
And
Sansui TV out here with soundbar. Very nice. What I'm loving is you can see the different floor plans for the Vacationer and take a look at the different paint jobs, Andrea. Ooh, I like Viper. And then here's the interior color choices.
more storage.
Yes,
more
very
storage.
nice.
And more storage.
Yes, ma'am. And then coming around the back, we do have a 5,000 pound hitch. This motorhome can tow 5,000 pounds. Our favorite ladders to get up on the roofs. Right here's where, you know, you have some access, you got a backup camera, and it is a one-piece TPO roof, Andrea. Finishing up, here's your water heater. Love how they continue the paint job. Right here, 50 amp power cord on an electric reel with the surge guard. Love that. Here's your Onan 5500 generator. Here's your wet bay, water filtration system. And then Andrea, that's just the other side of the storage. Again, guys, it's wet, it's wild, it's rainy. The outside of this motorhome looks great, but the inside looks even better. Let's go take a look.
All right. Cargo carrying capacity.
Take a look at the inside.
Oh, guys.
It is 4,876
wow,
pounds.
this is incredible. Look at this. Wow. Okay, so I'm coming up all the way up front, and I'm gonna do a 360. But look at this floor plan. This is so cool. All right, so we're gonna walk down through the kitchen into the split bathroom here. Okay, and then here is the master bedroom. Looks like the king size bed is a tilt-a-bed. And yeah, this is just really, really cool.
Yes. And Andrea, before we show everybody the inside, let's take a quick moment to thank RV Life. This episode is sponsored by RV Life Pro. RV Life Trip Wizards allows you to carefully plan your RV trip before you go. It will show you every campground along the route and let you plan important aspects of your trip, like fuel, rest stops, break areas, and more. Know before you go with satellite views, street views, elevation, and grade charts. Then use the RV Life app to navigate your dream trip exactly the way you planned it. We are doing a free 7-day trial and 25% off with promo code Matt's RV Reviews, no spaces. Thank you so much to RV Life for sponsoring us. Let's continue the video. All right, Andrea.
Oh my gosh.
Is this not a beautiful motorhome?
It is.
This is one of the ones I'm one of the most excited about. Let's get started up front here in the cockpit area. Holiday Rambler, very nice, premium, auto leveling right here. You have your cup holders here, camera on that side and your camera on this side. Nice steering wheel right here, Andre. It's very nice. You have all your button controls. Right here you have your AC and your heat, cup holders, and a little nook and cranny right over here. And then Andrea, how do you feel right there?
Amazing.
You love it?
I love it so much. It's a really comfortable chair. There's a workstation here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? And we've got a cup holder, fan lights. We've got daytime.
Yes.
And privacy shades.
Yes, ma'am. MCD.
Yes, both these seats do swivel.
Yep.
This does have a footrest on it, I can feel.
Very nice.
And let's see, we go
Watch your
this
fingers.
way
Yes.
a little bit. Got a TV there.
Insignia.
And then you've got that on your side, Matt.
Yes, ma'am. A little bit more.
Other way.
Very nice. And then Andrea, we also have a bunk over the cab that drops down to make a bed.
The hide-aloft.
Yes. Oh, there is a key in it. The Euroloft. Very nice. We drop this down.
Good size bed. It holds
500 pounds.
500 pounds. And then there is a pedestal table that goes there.
Yes, ma'am.
Just like that. And there's a ladder that goes there, everybody.
And then over here, Andrea, coming on into the living room. Very nice. Look at this cabinetry. Look at this woodwork. Look at the color schemes that they used. Look at these valances. Andrea?
Approved! Bing!
Whoa, you totally got me there, Andrea.
Yeah.
I was about to say, how are you not going to approve them?
Well, I was looking at them and they look a little crazy, but I like them.
I like them. They kind of look like
Yeah.
a hurricane formation.
Oh no, don't say that.
I'm just saying. I mean, there's hurricane headed to I got hurricane on my brain, Andrea.
There's a hurricane headed right for us to our house. I'm a little worried.
Good thing we're here. Right here we do have our slow rise shades and our privacy shades. And then Andrea,
Nice.
look at this plush, lush, very nice sofa right here. Got your cup holders there.
Is that massage seats?
No, they do electric recline.
Okay.
You got USB there. Here's where your remote will go. And then, Andre, we're looking directly across at the TV. I like the TV up there. That's not a bad spot. Opens up for big
adjustable
storage.
shelves.
Yes, ma'am. We have very nice storage right here. Okay, you see
More
that?
adjustable shelves.
Yes, ma'am. And then check this out. This is the dinette office area. I freaking love that they did this. So how this is supposed to work, you sit right here and you do your work. Or if it is dinner time, you take this out, you pull it, and
you can turn it. Oh.
let's twist again.
And then there's 2 more chairs, I believe, in the
Like
closet.
we did last summer. Oh. Twist my
gosh,
dinette,
I
Andre.
can't
Twist my
believe-
dinette.
No, thank you. I can't even believe you can twist. Like, you're like how old?
Andrea.
You're like in your 30s?
Andrea, you didn't know? Oh, you didn't know? Now you do.
Oh, wait, let me get that QR code.
Yes.
All right. Easy to do, Matt. Looks pretty simple.
Yes, ma'am. And then we lock it into place right there.
And there is some storage under there, but as you know, not our favorite to try to get to.
It's okay. Andrea, show us this beautiful
Oh,
kitchen.
I will love to show you this beautiful
Go!
kitchen. Look at this. This is incredible. I've never seen something like this before. It's so interesting. We got another adjustable shelf here.
Yes,
a little
ma'am.
drawer there. I don't know if I like that. Solid surface countertop.
Beautiful.
Very pretty. Love the backsplash.
Love it. Love that color.
Looks like mine at home.
Yes.
We got a convection microwave. Okay, we've got a cabinet down here.
Very
with
nice.
These that come out and lock in. And then we have I believe this is a Dometic propane cooktop. Yep, 3-burner propane cooktop, Dometic. These are always so heavy.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, no oven. We've got 3 drawers.
Very nice.
Good size.
Yes.
And then I'm gonna come over this way. We've got the Samsung residential refrigerator.
Very nice.
And freezer.
Yes, ma'am.
Turns off your inverter. And then we have this super cute little leaf picture.
Wow.
Goes very good with the decor in here.
Art Deco?
No.
Oh,
no.
okay.
All right, over here, this is so cool. I am so excited about this kitchen. Got a tower of power.
Hey, that's 2 towers of power right there.
Got more storage there.
Yes, ma'am.
Here is your control pad. Got some more cabinets up here.
Yes.
Lots of adjustable shelves. Look at
Very
this.
nice.
Got one of
Oh.
these for your spices.
You know what that's called?
Lazy Susan?
Yes.
Yeah.
But Susan's not lazy.
No. And then we've got a beautiful window here with the backsplash around.
Yes.
And then we've got a farmhouse sink.
Yes. Get that last cabinet before we forget. Very nice.
Another adjustable shelf.
Yes. And then this sink
Farmhouse
is fantastic.
sink. Nice extension there.
Yes, ma'am.
Very cute. And then here.
Okay.
And here's more storage.
Very good.
You know how much I love Rev Group.
Yes.
They got the drawers. Okay, and then over here, look, they put a valance over the door. Another cabinet. No, that's not a cabinet.
That's your
okay.
slide out controls.
And then we've got another cute little picture.
Very nice. And then Andrea, coming on in here is a very weird bathroom. We do got
Split
the
bath
pocket
with
door.
the pocket door right here.
Yes, ma'am. Over here's your medicine cabinet.
With the adjustable shelves.
Yep.
Oh,
All
Matt. Look at this shower. I wonder what you're going to say about this. It looks like it's a good size.
It's a radius.
Oh, no.
Andrea, it
Uh-oh.
gets the job done. I can shower in here, but it's a radius shower, so we are not super huge supporters of that.
That's you.
Unfortunately. And then come on in here.
Turn the light on. I thought I turned it on in there.
Have you seen
Oh, there
it?
you go.
There we go. Nice fan going on. Right here we have this storage.
Another, good medicine. 2 medicine cabinets.
Wait, is that 2
Wait,
sinks?
There's double sinks.
Oh, that's dumb.
Oh, wow. I just now caught that.
That's
Oh, so it's like 1 bathroom would be mine and 1 would be yours, 1 vanity.
check this out.
Okay.
It's porcelain. It's like it's just not a prime poop position, Andrea.
I see your foot there.
Have you ever seen me think? For those of you who have never seen me think, this is my thinking face. Like, I'm just trying to think, like, why would they do that? Like the double sink?
I do.
I don't know.
Yeah,
I
I
don't
mean,
know.
they're trying to make it,
I don't know, Andrea.
got another pocket door, so I like that there's separation in
Yes.
this bathroom.
Right here, Andrea, we got storage.
Got wardrobe.
Hey, that's a $156 trash
Oh,
can.
okay. That came with one at least. Got storage behind the TV.
Yep.
Nice window there. Your other wardrobe. And then
Here's 2
there's
spare
your 2 extra chairs.
Check this out. You're able to get a side-by-side washer dryer. I love that.
Whirlpool.
You got wardrobe, little drawer right here, and another drawer right here, and then
Okay. If you use
that
And then over here we've got a tilted bed. Here
king size
is
bed, tilt-a bed. Yep.
cute headboard, closing window, storage
Okay.
above, CPAP.
Yes.
For your
Very
If
nice.
you need CPAP machine, you got outdoor speakers under there too as well.
Yes. Yes. Very nice.
No storage under the bed. It is a tilt-a-view.
Yep. Nice big window here and everything. Well, Andrea, that's it. That's the review. That's the all-new 35 GL. Now, before everybody leaves, it's time we give people 3 things we love about this motorhome and 3 things we just don't like about it. Andrea,
Oh, goodness.
what do we do first?
Matt, let's do 3 things we dislike about it.
Let's do likes first.
Okay.
You want to know why?
Okay.
Because we always end
right,
with
that's
likes
fine.
on Holiday Ramblers, and this one I don't want to.
Okay.
Andrea, give me the first thing you love about this.
Okay, what I really love about this, I love this kitchen.
Yes.
This kitchen is so cool.
Fan-friggin-tastic.
I just love the space. And yeah, it's great. I love the kitchen.
I've never
Love,
seen
love,
a
love
kitchen
it.
like this. They did a very smart, great design.
Yes.
That is number 1. Andrea, number 2, I love the dinette. I love this convertible space. And I love, again, I think we should get rid of all dinettes and just have office areas. But with Fleetwood, the way they did this, not only is it the office area, it is a dinette as well. Super smart. Love that feature. That is number 2. Andrea, do you have a number 3?
For a like?
Yes.
Oh gosh.
I can give it to you.
Okay, you go ahead.
You ready?
Yeah.
Just look at the freaking colors in here.
Yeah, the interior
It is absolutely beautiful.
They always do a great job with their interior.
And you know what? It is just like, the reason why I'm making it my 3rd like, Andrea, is because we have become accustomed to Rev Group having the most beautiful
We
motorhomes.
have.
But every time I go in, I just appreciate them more and more and more, and I freaking love that. Great, so that's 3 things we love about it. Andrea, 3 things we dislike, that's the time. Andrea, do you have a dislike?
I do.
Talk to me.
My dislike is going to be in this master bedroom.
What? What
Although-
could it be?
I do appreciate the double wardrobe, but there's no drawers.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I gotta have drawers, and I
Yeah.
know that's just not enough space for clothes. I do get the
Okay.
washer and dryer, but maybe give one up and have some drawers and do a stackable.
So you get the washer dryer, but you do lose on space.
yes.
Andrea, that's number 1. Andrea, dislike number 2 and dislike number 3 is all going to be right here. Dislike number 2, I hate the shower.
I hate that there's no seat in it.
Andrea, how could there be a seat? It's too small. It's just a
Maybe
small
that
radius
wasn't
shower.
there.
Like, I think they should have. Okay, that's just.
It's silly.
Why is there 2 sinks? I don't understand. Andrea, number 2 and 3 is just going to be a combo. Why is there 2 sinks? This is not a prime pooping position. This is plenty of space for the toilet. The toilet should just be by its own. Like, because you can use this sink. Not only that, I'm actually fine with the sink being in here if you gave me a huge shower. I just don't understand any of this.
It's the fact that there's no prime poop position and it's not a good shower.
And
So
there's
it's
2
gotta
sinks.
have one of them at least.
Andrea, here's what I will say. This is a beautiful motorhome,
It
and
is.
I truthfully, none of this ticks me off enough not to buy it. I would truthfully buy it, but at the same time, and I say this with love, because we love our Rev Group, I don't understand what's going on here. And if somebody could give me a great explanation, I would love it, but I just don't get it. Well, Andrea, that's it. That's the review. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are interested in this Holiday Rambler or any Holiday Rambler, all you have to do is go to mattsrvreviews.com, fill out the contact tab. We're here to make sure that you guys get a great price, great service, and the best RV buying experience in the industry. Andrea, anything you'd like to say?
Yes. Hey, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know the 3 things that you like about this RV and the 3 things that you dislike.
Yes.
Yeah, Holiday Rambler, they do read the comments and they do watch the videos. So don't forget to leave your feedback. I hope you guys enjoyed this floor plan as much as we did.
Yes.
We hope you're safe and well. Thanks for watching.
Thank you, absolutely everybody, so much for watching. And Andrea, we'll see you next time.